Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If your toddler is crazy for Spider-Man, Superman characters, then I guess it becomes easy for us to decide a theme for their birthday decor, isn't it? So if you want to surprise your babies on their birthday with their favorite superheroes decor, then trust me, this is the easiest theme to DIY at your home. You don't need to shop any prop for this from market. You can easily make them at home in a very low budget and also in a very less time. So let's start today's video, which is all about Spider-Man theme birthday decor.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place we all make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like you survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like you survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place we all make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like you survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Like you survived under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like you survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. was a feeling never enough for you, baby. When you left me chasing you, chasing you, trying to find